welcome back to my channel. My name is Sean. For those of you that are new here, welcome in. So in today's video, excuse me, I'm going to be working on a sublimation frame. It's like a stone type of sublimation picture frame that comes with a stand. So I'm going to first print off my image. Well, I added my image in Silhouette Studio. I'm going to send it to my Sawgrass printer to print, and then I'll get everything prepped so we can press and you can see the end result. So I have this picture, and as you can see, it is too big, so I am going to resize it. Now, I was actually going to use a different image that I actually downloaded from Creative Fabrica. I just like the same. Let me see, let me turn it a different color. And I was going to use this one, but I decided, you know what, I want to do a photo instead. So I really like this Control Alt Delete. Control yourself, alter your thinking, delete negativity. So I'll probably do this on something else at another time. So the photo, I'm going to first resize it. And the sublimation stone that I'm going to be using, it is 7.9 inches by 11.8 inches. So I'm actually going to sublimate it at 7.5 by 11.5. So I'm just going to resize down here. And I could have actually just typed it up in the top, but it is what it is. We'll get there. So I'm gonna just bring this down to where I need it to be. And actually, let's see my width. Yeah, I'm gonna do at 11.5 and then my height 7.5. So there we have it. And this is just a photo of my husband and I when we were parasailing, when we were in Florida. One of my favorite pictures. So I want to put this on a plaque. Well, on the stone plaque frame. So I have my sizing. I'm going to rotate it and get it ready to print. But let me make sure. It's probably going to cut off a little bit on the edges, which I'm okay with. I'm just making it a little bit bigger, and that's perfect. That works for me. So then I'm going to go ahead and print, and I'm going to send this to my Sawgrass print manager. Now, because I'm sending it to print manager, I'm not going to reverse it or mirror it. It does that in print manager. So my print manager actually just came up, and here it is here. And so it automatically mirrors it for me here. And I'm going to keep it at polyester. I'm not going to change it, but these are all the different types of materials that you can select from. So I'm gonna leave it at polyester. My source is tray 1. Yes, definitely want it to be high quality. And then I already have my paper in there. I actually have sublimation paper, and I will have everything that I'm using, all the supplies, everything linked below for you all. So I'm going to go ahead and send this over to my Sawgrass to print, and then I will meet you guys over at the table with the printed image. All right, guys, so we are back over at the table now. So I have everything that I need here, and that is my press warming up. So I have all my supplies. So I have my image that I printed off. I sent to my Sawgrass printer. I have my heat resistant tape, have some gloves, heat resistant gloves, and a mat to lay the design on, the plate on once we finish. So these are from Amazon. You do get 2 of them when you order, and they have this size, and they also have a smaller size. But again, I'll have everything linked below for you guys. So it's going to come in 2 separate boxes like this. These are going to be the stands that you can use with it. And you can use this if you want to do it in portrait or landscape. So either way. And it does have some weight to it. It does have a little bit of weight to it. So definitely be careful. And so I'm just going to lay this down and going to position my picture where I want it. I'm not going to cut my picture down because I already made it a little bit bigger than the space that I'm going to press on. So I'm just checking just to make sure I have my placement where it needs to be. Move this down a little bit. Want to make sure it's even all around. And I can actually probably move it down a little bit more. So I'm just double checking here, making sure I got good coverage and that is even. Okay, perfect. So I have it where I want it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tape. I'm just gonna put a piece on the side and tape it under so nothing moves, and then do the same with the other side. And tape it down, and I'm just gonna slide this out and put it under. So I'm just gonna put the two pieces just on the side here, right here on each side. And this is how the back of it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this over to the press, let this press, and then I'm gonna also let it cool down. This will be very, very, very hot. So you will need to make sure you have heat resistant gloves and something to lay it on so you don't burn yourself or your table, your workspace, or whatever. So I'm gonna get this pressed up, let it cool, and then I'll be back in just a minute. All right, we are back and all pressed up. It is really, really hot. So I still have my gloves on here, and I'm just going to peel the tape up off the back. And then get the other piece off. So it did get the ink off of there, and this is how it turned out. So turned out really good. Colors look really good. Now it is hot. I can feel it through these gloves. And then so you can do different things. You can put signs on here, photos on here, whatever you want to. Again, the other one that I have is this one here that I also made. So that's just another idea. But you can and put them anywhere that you want to in your house. So just a quick and simple sublimation, or something to sublimate that is quick and simple. These really nice stone sublimation plates from Amazon. And I'll have everything linked in the description box for you below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And I'll also have the temperature that I use, as well as the size that I purchased. And any other questions, just let me know. So I'll check y'all out in the next video. Bye.